Hi, what is up, you guys? So today I want to go ahead, and I love the look that I saw that Rihanna tried. It was basically the new holiday collection, but since I can't get my hands on the Fenty Beauty right now, I'm going to go ahead and try to do it what I have. And I'm basically going to try and recreate the look using my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back Super Zoe Rio edition, and I'm also going to use the BH Cosmetics Festival palette. So I know what you guys are thinking. I love Rihanna, I really do. That is my girl, you know. Oh, nah, what's my name? I really do love her, but right now, you know, I cannot get the Fenty palette right now. It's nowhere near close to me, so I'm gonna utilize all my resources and make do with what I have. And no, this video is not sponsored at all. I just really love the look, so I was like, let me check into my palettes, and I was like, oh, okay, I think I can possibly replicate it. It may not, and of course it's not going to be as good as the original product, which is the Fenty Beauty. The colors on that is super pigmented, but like I said, I just wanted to recreate it because I loved the icy look. Riri, you did your thing. So without further ado, you guys, we're going to go ahead and get started into this video. And don't forget to like, comment, hit that subscribe button, also that notification bell, and feel free to drop any comments below. So let's go ahead and get started, you guys. I don't want to keep rambling on and talking too much. So without further ado, let's go ahead and replicate that Riri look. Let's get started. Guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and do exactly what she did in the video. So as you guys already know, I already done put on my foundation. I've already put on, usually I put on the setting powder last, but I went ahead and did it ahead of time. So I put it on ahead of time. I've already did my eyebrows, so we're just gonna start it like how she started it. So first, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started. We're gonna pull out the BH Cosmetics Festival palette, and you're gonna go ahead and take the color Spirit. If you guys can see, it's silver with a little bit of purple freckles in it, or purple shimmers. So let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna make this quick and easy. And you know what I loved about the look too? She also did not put on any fake lashes. So this is gonna be a quick tutorial, you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm possibly gonna speed the video up just because. And if you see me looking down, that's because I have my mirror. So let's go ahead and get started, y'all. Look. So I'm hopefully I don't have a lot of fallout. So I'm basically gonna go ahead and line my entire lid with the Spirit color from the BH Cosmetics palette. So let's go ahead and get started. And you're gonna pat it. The reason why I'm patting it is because, like I said, I don't want a lot of fallout. But you know what, let me go ahead and zoom you guys in. Hold on. Yeah, you're close enough. All right, so let's go ahead and get started, y'all. You're gonna pat the color on your lid, just like how she did. She did a little something like that, but gonna pat it on. Have our left eye, so we're gonna go ahead and work on the right. My right. Okay, you guys, so we basically did our eyes with the white Spirit color from the BH Festival's Cosmetic palette. You want to make sure that you literally getting all up into the crevices. Alright, so as you guys can see, that's the look that we have right now. Next one, I'm going to go ahead and take is, I'm going to go in with the color Wicked. The color that Ree went in with was a little bit like a blue shimmer, but this, if you look at the color Wicked, it has, I don't know, if you do this, it has a little bit of like blue sparkles in it, so that's what we're going to do with that. Like I told you, it's not going to be exactly like hers. I was just inspired, so I just want to replicate it. So I'm just going to take the same brush that I did, child. And we're going to go right into our crease with that. Looks good. Let me see if you guys can see how fast you see it. It's looking good. It's still looking like Ice Princess. I am having fallout, so that's the only bad thing, but not too bad. Nothing that I can't wipe away. Nice. So we're gonna go ahead and go to our next side. Let me see if I can wipe this away. Hold on, guys. You know what, you guys? Hold on. What I might have to do, because the shimmers are like literally leaving a highlight on me, and there is a lot of dropout on this. I'm gonna go ahead and put some setting powder underneath. Okay guys, so now I'm looking crazy, but that's gonna be wiped away. That's just because I am having a little bit of fallout with the product. So don't want our nose to be too, we don't want too much glitter to be on the nose. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and step to the next side. You're gonna go right above that. As you guys see, I'm like working my way up on the crease. See how that's like, y'all, this look is coming together. Looking good, I love it. Look at. Woo! No shade, but I just saved myself a lot of money by literally utilizing my resources that I already had. So, y'all, and I don't even care what type of brush it is. I'm using the same brush, okay? It's nothing, you ain't gonna get no M540, nothing of that sort, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and pick the same brush and I'm gonna go underneath my eyes. Well, let me see if I got a clean brush. Hold on. So basically what I'm gonna do, you guys, is I'm gonna go underneath my waterline with this. Let's start with, I'm gonna go back in with my white. This is what I'm gonna do, you guys, to make it a little extra icy, and I hope I'm not screwing myself. So I'm gonna go underneath my eyes with the NYX Jumbo eye pencil, color Milk, and I still got some product on there from before, so let me wipe that off. Yes, hopefully I'm not looking too crazy, but let's see. Ooh, looks good, you guys. Looking wintry. Okay. So lastly, what I'm gonna do, you guys, is I'm gonna wipe off that extra powder that I put on. To prevent that fallout. And I know she didn't put on any mascara, and I'm wondering if I should. But I mean, it can't really hurt anything. I'll just go really, really light with the mascara. Y'all, this shit, it looks freaking nuts. It looks like Winter Wonderland in here. Go real, oh, it doesn't look bad. Okay. You just don't want to go heavy because it's sort of like supposed to be like Icy Princess, so. You guys, it does not look bad at all. Ooh, y'all, don't tell me I didn't put you guys up on some game, okay? Try it with the BH Cosmetics Festival. I'm not knocking my sister, but I'm telling you, if y'all cannot get your hands on it, you can still replicate the look. Look, case in point. You guys gotta be resourceful and use what you have. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Just got it in my eye. You know, I'm not gonna go too hard with the bottom lashes, okay? I'm trying to give it like a Winter Wonderland look, okay? So, let me see. Let me bring this up a little bit more. All right, so lastly, you guys, it's gonna, hold on, lost my train of thought. Lastly, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and take my Take Me Back to Brazil Rio edition. In this, it looks like this. In that palette, right? They have two shimmers. They have this shimmer. I don't know if you guys can really see it in the camera. And they have this shimmer that has purple sparkles in it. I'm gonna take the one that has the purple sparkles and I'm basically gonna highlight my cheeks with it to give it the Winter Wonderland look. Let's start with a little bit because this palette is like super pigmented. Okay, right. So what you guys are gonna do, right? You remember that same color that we went into earlier, which is the Wicked color from your BH Cosmetics Festival palette. We're gonna use that color. You're gonna take a little bit of gloss. A little bit, don't go crazy with it. Okay, you guys, so like I told you, sorry, I had to go tend to my daughter. You're gonna put a little bit of this lip gloss. I put some off camera. Basically, like I told you guys, you're gonna go really light with it. You just want something for that eyeshadow or the palette to stick to. So, you're gonna take your handy dandy finger, right? You're gonna dip it into the Wicked and take your time and place it on your lips. And that is gonna give you that same effect of Riri's lip on a budget, you guys. Watch it. You guys see that? Look at that. The same look, you guys. Look at the highlight. I have literally the same look. And there goes your Fenty slash, you know, it's not really Fenty. We're gonna call it, there go your BH Cosmetics holiday fairy princess, I don't care, holiday Christmas frosted goddess look on a budget, you guys. So there you guys go. And it's quick and easy, and it's just like that, you guys. Like I said, you don't really have to buy the most expensive stuff. Sometimes you just have to be resourceful and use what you have. If you guys happen to take any tips from this and you guys basically want to try the look on your own, please feel free to tag me in all of your videos. I'm excited to see what you guys come up with. Basically, like I said, you guys just have to improvise and you can make anything happen, and that's just what you have to do in life. And I'm really happy with how this look came out. I'm balling on a budget, you know what I'm saying? So without further ado, you guys, I'm gonna close this video out. Don't forget to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button and also that notification bell so that you can go ahead and stay tuned with my channel because you don't wanna miss what else I may have coming up. So without further ado, you guys, rolling out. See you guys all later. I hope you guys all enjoy. Bye.